How to turn on AirDrop on MacBook or your iMac. So the first way to do it is you want to go to your top right of the screen and choose this control center right here. And then you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on, because if it's off then you cannot do an AirDrop. And then on AirDrop you want to click on it and choose on everyone, so anybody can do an AirDrop. Or the second way to do it is you want to go to your Finder right here at the bottom left of your screen, and then on Favorites right here at the first one it says AirDrop. You want to click on it, and you have to turn on Blur Bluetooth, and then on Allow Me to be discovered by, you want to choose on everyone. I really recommend to do it. And then to send the files, you just have to find your files that you want to share, for example like this one, and then you want to right click on the files, or if you're on trackpad you just have to right click and then on share button you want to click on it and then choose AirDrop, and there you go. Keep in mind that the device that's going to receive your file is obligated to have the AirDrop on too, and they will appear right here and you can just choose their device. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.